Welcome back, guys. It's been over a year, maybe 9 months since the last time I posted a video, and this is a simple video update. I will be sharing with you guys my screen and what I've been doing, and obviously how it's been going since I started trading. I will show you guys the screens. I made over 1K profit in the last 9 months, 1.5K profit, which is not a lot, with a 10K budget. That's almost 15%. As far as you can remember, guys, I started as a 10K budget, and I tried to DCA. I tried to apply different strategies, but now I will just be reporting from time to time, every day, my trading news and what I've been doing. So there's a war in Iran. It's pretty much something that's going on that allowed me to get some entrances and bust some profits. Also, I will share with you the screenshots. So my strategy is pretty simple. Hold on, I just made a mistake. I had to share the screen. Hold on. Okay, so I'll show you what I'm doing. This is pretty much it, and it's very simple. My trading strategy is very simple. Basically, what I've been doing the last year, I've been just buying and using DCA on crude oil as a standard trading approach. And all I've done is just DCA crude oil. So now you can see my bankroll. So my account was 10K equity. It says 10.5K. And the account balance is 11, is on an average of 11K almost. Okay, so 11.4K, that's what it should be. You can see it right here. I will just underline it. And the equity obviously is 10.6K because it's actually falling down. The market is crashing a lot since the war. And it's pretty much very simple, my approach. So my approach is the dollar cost average, the assets I have. Okay. So what I do is I buy, and when it falls down, I buy again, and then I hold the trade. Very simple, isn't it? Yeah. It's a very boring strategy, way of trading. It's a very boring strategy. You can see here, I have this trade. I actually entered right here. It was probably around here, this level or this level, I don't remember. No, sorry, it was right here. And I will draw it for you. I entered right here the trade. It fell down, took some trades, took some profits, entered right here too, took some profits right here. And that's just been all I've been doing with DCA. Then obviously the market, this trade, I left it open. If the market actually recoups right here, I will just make profit. And obviously there's this tiny trade over here that I'm actually trying to take advantage of when it will start going up. If the market goes back down, so if it goes here, I will enter right here at 41 on the US 30 and probably also 40 and also 39. These are my sweet spots. I just try to take the average of where the market stayed for a little bit or where there's big shadows right here like this, okay? So it's very simple. So this is my plan for trading in the next month, and obviously it depends on what happens. So I only trade on the upside. I don't short any assets. All I do is just get in, wait, get in, wait, get in, wait, get out when you make the money. Easy as it is. Of course, this is gonna obviously create some margin problems. So you always have to keep in mind the margins you have available. That means that if you like, for example, trade 0.2 lots, 0.2 contracts on US 30 or 0.3 contracts on crude oil, is gonna ask you for a $180 margin on average. And also there's the swap you have to take into account. So my main profit with crude oil has been the swap, because the swap means that the futures contracts are longing. So when I long an asset and the futures contracts go for the long run, the swap is positive. If I go against it, the swap goes negative. Like for example, in the US 30, where there's a lot of contracts actually aiming shorting the asset. So the swap gets negative. Like for example, here I got $86 negative swap. So as soon as this one gets, as soon as I can get rid of this one, I will, which is the one I've been holding for a long time, okay, which is the $168 when I got in at 43. So I'm waiting for just the profit to actually go up here, and I will get out as soon as possible. If it falls back down, I probably get in again. I have an order limit right here. And for crude oil, the war just begun or whatever it is, he handed it. I don't care. I just trade the graphs. So it's pretty simple. Probably there's going to be another entry point for me at $64. Then I will try to not get in again with trading. And probably I'll get in at $60 with crude oil, and then 55, and then maybe $40. And yeah, I've got some limits down here too, maybe even $42, $45. And just all I'll be doing is I will be holding. If I see a spike right here, like for example, this one spikes up a little bit, I will probably take the profit. Okay, so I don't use take profits or stop losses unless it's at the bottom of it or at the top of it. Like for example, right here, if it goes down here, I will take the profit every now and then, like every 4 hours. I will check the market, and I will see if I can obviously take some profits or not. But I will never close the positions unless I go break even with them, because maybe I entered the lower side of it, or unless just the position goes to profit. So that's pretty much it. And I managed to make 50% profit of my account balance in the last year. It's not a lot. It's just I started with 10K. And obviously, if you start with 10K and you make 11, you make 1.5K plus, okay? That's 15%. So I don't know what's going to happen in this next year, which is going to start from now on to June 2026. But if I look for 15% even for the next year, that would be around probably 2-3K profits or something like that. Okay, euros. Pretty simple. So this is pretty much it. Thanks you for being here. Thanks you for following me. I will try to be more frequent with my updates, and you will see what happens with my account.